So this is that ramen noodle fix.
Mm-hmm.
You want to try it?
Oh, for sure. That's a video today. I just got to figure out now what we're going to do. We got to fix something, right?
Oh, yeah, true.
Something that, like, people have, like, problems with always that they need to fix.
Okay, yeah, man. I'm sure we can find something.
That work?
That's pretty broken, man. So, what are we doing now?
I don't know, Ian. Think!
Whoa, chill, man.
No, I'm not actually bad. It's like in the movies where they pace around and make it seem like a really big deal and just add some drama. But seriously, we have to think of what we're gonna fix.
Hey, man, you know, so I was thinking, you know how, whoa, what are you doing? That's a lot. Anyway, you know, I used to do a lot of sneaker customs, right? Mm-hmm. Maybe we could do something with shoes again, because like everybody wears shoes, right? Like sometimes
Most people do. Some people in Africa don't, but continue. Or other places that are in poverty, which I hate.
Well, no, I was just thinking maybe we could try to use ramen noodles to fix a shoe.
That's a really good idea. I knew that would work. Whenever I need to think, vodka, done. Easy. Secret weapons here, boys. Ian, catch.
Oh, my balls!
Sorry.
Oh, you...
Yeezys are the move today. Now, the reason we're doing Yeezys with this ramen fixing challenge is because a lot of people have problems with their sneakers where their outsole might come off the shoe, you know, the boost of your shoe might get a little torn up, or, you know, the air bubble pops in your shoe, yada, yada, yada. So this is a good little thing. I think it's a good test. You haven't done a little sneaker custom in a little while, or whatever the hell you want to call it. So I thought we'd just destroy a $1,000 pair of shoes today. Or fix them, you know what I mean? My hopes are actually pretty high with this. Anyway, what we are working with is the Pirate Black Yeezys. Now, these are 100% legit. I've had about 20 to 25 pairs of legit Yeezys. I destroyed them all in the past. But one thing I actually do want to say also, these are extra special because my mom painted these. So I'm really hoping that this works. You know what I mean? Because if it doesn't work, I got a really cool gift from my mom that didn't, you know, turn out well. Then I got to throw them out. Anyway, the story behind these is like, I'll just tell you guys real quick. She painted these because when my dad died, I was like turning into a real piece of shit. Whoa. And I was smoking a lot of cigarettes and drinking a lot. And then she was like, hey, Bran, can I borrow one of your shoes and paint on them? And then she painted this as a reminder to put down the cigarette and smoke a joint. Since then, well, not since then, but last month I quit, so I got that little vape thing now. Anyway, that's a story. That's why they're painted. But today we're gonna figure out how to fix this boost if it were to come out. Anyway, boys, we just gotta cut out the boost ourselves. But honestly, it's all for the fun and games to see if this freaking thing actually works. You know, when they say boost technology, they're not lying. They're really not. It's harder than steel.
Well, butter with steel.
Ian, shut up. Ah. Alright, man, so as you guys saw, obviously this is out, and obviously also it's not an actual real life scenario where this is actually just gonna go missing in your shoe. I'm just kind of dealing with the products that I have in my house. I know sometimes when people wear these, they do wear it down a bit, not obviously like that, but I don't know, if it works on boost here, it's probably gonna work on other boost, and I just want to give you a test, and this is what I have. Also makes a really good thumbnail because it's a Yeezy, so just feel me on that. Let's go, Ian.
So what's going on here?
We're gonna cook the noodles first, and then I saw online, I think you use like super glue or something like that, but you know, we'll wait for this to go. Maybe if you stand here, you got a sick time lapse as it boils, it'd be awesome. Stand there the whole time though, man. It takes about 10 minutes.
Yeah, no, I'm not standing here for 10 minutes. Screw that. Wait, that's how you cook your noodles?
Yeah.
But in the sink?
I clean it all the time. I waste a bowl. Anyway, we're trying to soak this up, boys, so it's cooked on both sides. We might need more water. We're gonna give it a second.
It doesn't even look like it works.
No, it does. It works all the time. Usually I boil 2 waters. Okay, so we're just gonna take the next little bit out of here, boys. Just like this.
Okay. Is this really how you live your life, though? Like,
what do you mean?
Half-cooked ramen noodles from your sink.
Yeah, and you do it for the boys.
In your hands.
You'll learn at one point. So I guess we just stuff it in here like this. I can kind of see how this works. As it expands, it hardens. This might take a little while. Anyway, boys, we're gonna let it harden for about 30 minutes probably. I don't know how long it takes. We're gonna give it 30 minutes, give you guys an update in a second. Ian, turn off the camera. Just gonna put it down right here.
We're gonna wait 30 minutes and give him an update in a second.
Alright boys, so it's actually been about an hour since we last caught up with you. I feel like an idiot right now, but we came in within a half hour and nothing happened, and then we actually searched up like how to do this on a video, or even pulled up a video. And apparently it's not supposed to be wet, it's supposed to be dry noodles. So yeah, start over real quick. We actually have to go back to the store and get new ones because that was the only bag we got. So I guess we'll catch you guys at the store real quick. Boom. Alright boys, package number 2. What flavor? What are we thinking? I do like, let's get spicy. Might get 2, I like those. Perfect.
For shoes?
Yep. Oh, the old? And with the new. We got this bag, so we're gonna try it again, boys.
Jesus Christ, man.
After reading up on the instructions, we're just gonna take this now, and apparently, you know, we kind of shape it into the shape it needs to be. Y'all know the drill. Just do something like this, crack it up. And, you know, once it's in there, I guess we sand it down. So we're just going to take the ramen and do that, you know? Looks really good. We're going to add super glue in a second once I shape this out. And you can turn it off now. That was your cue. You had the one word. Once I say shape it out, you turn it off.
But, sorry.
I love dry noodles.
Yeah.
Especially the flavoring on them.
They gotta have the flavoring on them already.
Yeah.
I gotta say though, not particularly hot and spicy.
Where did we just leave off the clip? So we got that new ramen out right now. Now what we've started to do is like add the ramen into this little hole that we have. Once again, maybe you could do it with any other sneaker. I want to see if it works. And we bought some super glue. Apparently you use the super glue to just like glue it in there, right? I don't know, we watched the video once, I'm not even sure. Mother! Why is that not going? Alright, so now what we're gonna do with all of this ramen we have in here, we're just gonna layer it with super glue like this. And I guess that just sticks the stuff together. Try not to swear. Remember, don't swear in this video. We're trying to get monetized.
Oh, right.
Okay, Jesus. I don't know how this works. Honestly, I don't even care if it works or not. Ugh. Just follow the process. I know there's probably at least 100 of you at home watching this right now trying this very same thing. So I don't want to steer you guys wrong at all. Oh God. We're gonna keep working on this, come back to y'all with the finishing product. Boys, moment of truth. Now what we have here is a totally dried, I think, ramen noodles in this. Now what I've seen from the video, sand her down. And once it's sanded down perfectly, we paint it white, just like the Boost. Also one thing, maybe don't do it to Yeezys, because that glue apparently just burnt the hell out of it.
It's all blistered.
Bad, anyway. Push the sand sesh. Keep in mind, it's gonna sand the hell out of your shoe too, but.
Right. Is this supposed to be coming out in chunks?
Well, yeah, first profit. Oh, it's burning. Whoa. Some sort of feeling.
That hurts. I think. So what are we gonna do? Whoa, jeez. Whoa, calm down, man.
My girlfriend's gonna kill me. That's our new paint. That's our new paint on the wall.
Oh wow, it left a.
Oh God.
It left a huge mark.
No.
Oh yeah. Does she watch these videos?
Just turn it on. No, no, she doesn't. But she's probably gonna find out, and I'm gonna have to make up some excuse. So it doesn't matter. Just turn it off.